Assalamu alaikum dosto, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we are discussed about in a topic how to stop Windows from launching or startup. Too many startup apps can be a drag on your PC performances. Here's how to prevent apps from automatically starting when you sign into Windows 11, 10 or 11. So guys, one of the most frustrating aspects of Windows in the ease with which so many applications start up automatically as soon as you log into Windows. Install an app like Adobe Acrobat, iTunes, or Spotify, and shall muscle its way into your startup routine, whether you need it to or not. There are certain types of programs that should start automatically, such as antivirus and webcam software. However, many apps unnecessarily take advantage of the Windows startup process, chewing up memory and resources and potentially hampering your PC's performance. Don't worry, tough, because you can fight back. Windows has long offered a way to view and disable your startup programs. Those who used older version of Windows might remember opening the system configuration tool to view and deselect any programs you wanted to stop loading automatically. That option is no longer available in Windows 11, 10 or Windows 11 instead. You go through the setting screen or task manager. Here's how to deal with unwanted startup apps. Disable startup apps in Windows setting in Windows 10 or 11. Go to setting up startup to at view a list of all apps that can start up automatically and determine which one should be disabled. You can sort the list by name, status or startup impact. A switch next to each app indicates a status of on or off to tell you whether or not the app is currently in your startup routine. Below the switch is an indicator for impact. An app can be tagged as no impact, low impact, medium impact, or high impact. These indicators measures the impact our startup program has on your PC's CPU and disk drive or startup. The higher the impact indicator, the longer a program takes to load. The RIBI increasing the time it takes for Windows to completely start. An app with a status of not measured means that its impact has not yet been determined. In reviewing which apps to kick out of your startup routine, look at the ones that are rated as high and medium, since disabling those will have the greatest effects on speeding up your system at startup. Disabling those rated as low impact or no impact will have little or no effect on your startup time, but this might still be worth doing since disabling them can free up precious RAM to disable an app just turn off its switch. So guys, disable startup apps in Task Manager. Another option is to review your startup apps through Task Manager, which allows you to more easily research each one and better go whether or not to disable it. In Windows 10 or 11, right click on any empty area of the taskbar. From the pop-up menu, click Task Manager. The Task Manager window that appears in Windows 10. Click the tab for startup. You may need to click more details first. In Windows 11, click the category for startup apps. You shall see a list of all the apps that start up automatically each time Windows loads. Some of the programs you shall likely recognize, other may be unfamiliar. unfamiliar. So guys, with this we end our video and see you in our next video. Thank you.